Good morning, all the kids. As students have known my name already, but other students don't know my name. My name is Pipanya. Yeah, I am very happy today. Today I have a new and interesting lesson to teach all of you. So I hope that you will be excited to learn with me. So before I start my lesson, I want all of you to warm up by practicing singing a song with me. My song is very simple. Its title is Hello. So everyone, just start singing with me. Yeah? Are you ready? Yeah, now I start. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful, I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm not so good. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? Yes, yeah, now I finish my song. So everyone, today I will teach you the lesson. Do you know, everyone, what lesson I'm going to teach you? The lesson is very simple. So now, are you ready? If you are ready, yes. My lesson is letter A. Yeah. So now everyone can see all together is letter A. Yeah, is the uppercase letter A. And also, you can see everyone, it is lowercase letter A. You can see they have a different shapes, but they make the same sound. Yeah, A. Yeah, letter A. And everyone, do you know what is the sound of letter A? The sound of letter A is R. Just listen to me very carefully. The sound of letter A is R. Follow me again. R. So everyone, see again. Yeah, letter A, it is an uppercase, it is a lowercase. The sound of letter A is R. R. And do you know what words start with letter A? So, do you want to know? Yes, I will show you. Yeah, yes, everyone, this picture, can you see? Yes, what is it? It is ant. Ant. So, A, so, see me, everyone. A, sound R. A, sound R. A, R, ant. A, ant. Yeah. A, ant. Yeah, very good. Others words start with letter A. Everyone, do you want to know? Yeah. Other. Yeah. Yeah. The next word that start with letter A. Can you see the picture? What is it? It is alligator. Yeah, it is alligator. So just listen to me. A sound R. Letter A sound R. A sound R. Alligator. Yeah. A sound R. Alligator. A sound R. Alligator. Yeah. So yes, everyone, now I will show you another pictures. You know what the next word that start with letter A is? I will show you, everyone. Can you see? What is it? It is apple. Yeah? It is an apple. So you can see A sound R, apple. A sound R, apple. Apple. A sound R, apple. Yes. So now everyone, just repeat after me. A sound R, ant, 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 ant. A sound R, alligator, alligator. Again. A sound R, alligator, alligator. Yeah, you can do the gestures with me. Yeah, to make sure that you understand about the letter A and sound R, and about the pictures. Yeah, about the word animals, that the words that start with letter A. Again, now we go on. A sound R, apple, apple, apple. Yeah. So everyone, are you clear with the letter A? Yeah. So letter A has two different letters, but they have the same sound. One is called uppercase, and the second one is called lowercase. And today I will show you only the three words. Yeah, the first word is ant. Yeah. Second word is alligator, and the third word is apple. So you can repeat after me again. Yeah, before I finish my lesson today. So again, A sound R, ant. Yeah, ant, ant. You can do your gesture. Yeah. A sound R, alligator, alligator. Yeah. A sound R, apple, 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 apple. Yeah, the apple is very delicious. Yeah, fruit. I like apple so much. So today, yeah, I teach you only letter A and the sound of letter A and three words. I hope that you will enjoy my lesson today. Yeah. If you enjoy my lesson today, you can go to subscribe or click on the CIA School official page, and you will get more lesson from me and other foreign teachers. Thank you. See you later.